Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sharpening stones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpener. The Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpener is a durable and long-lasting sharpening stone made of premium quality, aluminum oxide and sharpening compounds. The kit comes with a double-sided whetstone knife sharpener, bamboo base, knife sharpening angle guide, instruction manual, and detailed ebook with lots of tips and tricks for every skill level. Safety is ensured with a non-slip bamboo base and rubber base for holding the stone in place while sharpening. The product is user-friendly and can be easily cleaned using water. It can sharpen any blade out there, making it suitable for home, professional chefs, or as men's gifts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Whetstone Sharpening Stone Kit. The Swindy Whetstone Kit comes with a premium quality double-sided whetstone, non-slip rubber base, knife sharpening angle guide, fixed stone, and a manual. The low grit side is for refining the dull edge, while the high grit is for polishing the edge. It is suitable for almost all kinds of knives, precision tools, planer tools, and chisels, except for serrated blades and ceramic knives. The whetstone is made of premium white corundum and is self-sharpening. It is a perfect gift for family and friends. At number 3, we have the SHARPAL 156N Diamond Sharpening Stone. The SHARPAL 156N Diamond Sharpening Stone is a fast, durable, and heavy-duty sharpening tool with dual grit, coarse 325 grit, and extra fine 1200 grit for quick edge setting and honing. The exclusive mirror flat technology ensures even contact with knives or tools, making it a superior choice over oilstone and waterstone. The stone comes with a storage box that doubles as a non-slip base and an angle guide with 4 universal angles for easy sharpening. At number 2, we have the SATC Diamond Sharpening Stone 2 Side Grit 400. The SATC Diamond Sharpening Stone is a durable and convenient sharpening tool that offers double-sided grit design for coarse and fine sharpening jobs. Its cutting-edge technology features steel plates machined with monocrystalline diamonds, providing a longer lifespan than other sharpening stones. The diamond sharpener is universally applicable and can be used to hone a wide range of straight-edged tools such as chisels and planer blades. And finally, at number 1, we have the Knife Sharpening Stone Set with Leather Strop and Flattening Stone. This complete knife sharpening stone kit includes a dual-sided whetstone with $400, $1,000, and $3,000, 8,000 grits, a coarse flattening stone, a non-slip bamboo base, a knife sharpening angle guide, a leather strop made of genuine cowhide leather, and a simple instruction manual. The high-quality corundum whetstone and leather strop can sharpen and polish any blade, including kitchen knives, chef knives, steak knives, santoku knives, and more. This set is durable and long-lasting, making it perfect for both professionals and beginners. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.